Tired of fumbling around trying to find your security code when Chase Bank needs it most? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through exactly how to find it within the Chase Mobile app. First, open the Chase Mobile app on your smartphone and log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon. It's usually located in the top left or right-hand corner of the screen. Tap it, and this will take you to your account profile page. On this page, scroll down until you see Security Center. Tap the Security Center button. This is where Chase keeps all your security settings in one convenient location. Now, look for the option labeled Authorized Access. You may need to scroll down slightly to find it. This section manages settings related to your security code. Now tap the button. You're almost there. On the Authorized Access page, you will see an option to view security code. Tap View Security Code, and there you have it. Your current security code will now be displayed on the screen. Remember, this code is crucial for verifying transactions and protecting your account. Once you have noted the code, you can proceed with the transaction or keep it handy for future use. That's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly and easily access your security code within the Chase Mobile app. This helps you enjoy safe and secure banking.